There are many products available to choose electric mops, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric mops from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bissell SpinWave Cordless Spin Mop. When it came to cleaning up sticky messes, the cordless Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop came out on top. It features 2 spinning mop heads, which makes mopping less strenuous, and a swivel head that helps you move it around corners and into tight spaces. During 6 months of testing, it removed many messes including fruit juice, cheese, popsicle drippings, and dirt. The mop glided smoothly over all the floors we tested it on, and we liked that the pads had Velcro on the back, so they were easy to remove after a cleaning session. The device is cordless, with a runtime of about 20 minutes on a full charge. We were impressed with its long-lasting 18 volts lithium-ion battery. We also loved how quiet it was, to the point that we could run it while people were sleeping elsewhere in the house. After you're done, the mop fits neatly onto the storage dock. Number 2. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. The Shark Steam Mop Hard Floor Cleaner S1000 is as basic as it comes, but it gets the job done. It has no extra accessories or settings, you just have to plug it in to start cleaning. That said, if you just need a step up from a basic mop, it's the best electric mop on a budget. It performed consistently well over 6 months of testing, plus was easy to move. While we found the mop incredibly light and nimble, we noticed that it was most effective if we mopped in straight lines. Because of its block shape, it had difficulty cleaning corners. We liked using the steam function to wipe heavy stains off the floor, which it was able to do without much effort. The water tank is also easy to attach and detach. We think it's an excellent pick for young adults living in dorms or their first apartment. Number 3. Euroflex Vapour Pro M4S. If you're looking for a professional quality steam cleaner, the Euroflex Vapour Pro M4S is the best electric mop to splurge on. The mop features a high-pressure steamer that heats water to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, killing bacteria and removing grime and dirt stains. The combination of the steamer and microfiber cleaning pads effectively removed any type of gunk during testing. It also cleaned fairly quickly, with it generally taking under 5 minutes and only a few passes to get the floor clean. Another positive feature is the large tank that holds enough water for 1,800 square feet. This meant we never had to refill the tank in the middle of mopping. While we enjoyed using it, the noise level is similar to a vacuum, so it can be disruptive to others in the home. The mop has 18 attachments, one for every type of mess. Number 4. PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. The PurSteam 10-in-1 steam cleaner weighs just 2 pounds, which makes it really easy to handle. Better yet, it performed well on all surfaces during our 6-month testing period, including floors and windows. The steam wand is also effective at steam cleaning clothing. The mop head is big and feels a little clunky at times, however. The device comes with a handheld attachment that helps get into small spaces like behind the toilet. The reusable mop pads are insulated, so we didn't have to wait for the unit to cool down before removing them. A foldable handle makes the mop more compact and easier to store when not in use. It comes with 10 attachments including a squeegee, various brushes and nozzles, and the steam wand. Handy tools like a cup and funnel to fill the tank, and a dial to adjust steam levels make it user-friendly. We got around 30 minutes of cleaning time on a full tank. Number 5. Hoover Steam Complete Pet Steam Cleaner. The Hoover Steam Complete Pet Steam Mop has 10 attachments that work well across floors, appliances, and windows. Our favorite way to use it is for cleaning glass surfaces such as mirrors because of the squeegee attachment, which we connected to the portable steamer. The steamer helped to loosen gunk on the stovetop and microwave so we could simply wipe it clean with a cloth after a few minutes. Additionally, the attachments made it easy for us to clean dirt from nooks and crannies. We were less impressed with its performance on wooden floors. It removed dried mud stains to some extent, but didn't leave the floors sparkling clean. In general, you should be mindful of how often you mop wooden surfaces, as too much heat and water can damage them. The mop includes 2 small water tanks, which we had to stop and refill several times while mopping, even during smaller cleaning jobs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.